So guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be making a short video about somewhere in northern Switzerland, Rhine Falls. During the summer holidays, I went to Switzerland with a few of my family members. Whilst we admired the beauties of Switzerland, we decided to go check out the place Rhine Falls. Rhine Falls is the most biggest and powerful waterfall in the whole of Europe. To feel the roar and vibration of the water, we decided to go down the lift and stand up close to the waterfall. To get my beautiful face there, I had to pay €5. Wow. We decided to take a boat trip downstream to experience the loud thundering and roaring at the waterfall, where the water plunges some 23 meters into the depths. That was €15 per person. When I was on the boat, I dipped my hand in the water, but it was really cold. Don't worry guys, my dad was holding me. Hosana, how did you like the boat trip?
It was very good and I loved it so much.
Yeah. The water was so clear we could see the fish. A question for you guys. Why do you think the Red Cross logo is very similar to the Switzerland flag? Write your answers in the comments below. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and hit that subscribe button as hard as you can. Pow!